Welcome. If you want to export all GIFs from a chat on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to back up your favorite animated moments or simply keep a collection outside of Telegram, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. Start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, head over to the chat where you want to export GIFs. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Next, click on the name of the chat or contact at the top of the conversation window. This will open the contact or group information panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find more options related to the chat and its content. Look for the three dots icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the info panel. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Export Chat History. This is the feature that allows you to download different types of content from your chat, including GIFs. A new window will pop up with various export settings. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of media, like photos, videos, stickers, and of course, GIFs. Make sure to check the box next to GIFs. If you want, you can also adjust the size limit, choose the file format, and set the export location on your computer. For most users, the default settings work perfectly. Once you've selected GIFs and set your preferences, click the Export button. Telegram will begin processing your request. Depending on the size of your chat and the number of GIFs, this might take a few moments. When the export is complete, you'll receive a notification, and you can open the exported folder to find all your GIFs neatly organized and ready to use. That's it. Now you know how to export all GIFs from any Telegram chat on your PC. Enjoy your collection, and don't forget to explore other export options for photos, videos, and more.